Magic Notes is a generative AI technology. It'll record anything you do, verbally, audio-wise. It transcribes that, and it'll take that transcription, and the AI runs over that in order to feedback that in whatever output you want. So care plans, assessments, review documents, case notes, and then it's for the human interaction then to finalise that, check it, and make sure that that's an accurate representation, really. Administrative work is a burden, and this solution offers us the opportunity to help social workers and different social care professionals in their administrative work on a day-to-day basis.
It's helping us as professionals, but also the service we're providing to the people that we're supporting. Having Magic Notes, recording the visits that we go out to, recording meetings, phone calls that we make, the time that that's saving, writing all of that up. You know, it doesn't do everything for you. It doesn't take away our professionalism. And, you know, we answer those questions and we've got to be personable, and we want the best out of the assessment that we're doing. We've got to work with Magic Notes to get all of that information out. And when you haven't got a pad and a pen and you're not thinking all of these different things at once, it just comes.
Cyn Magic Notes, oedd e'n eitha anodd I wneud siŵr bod byd y gwybodaeth yn cael ei recordo am y case notes. Mae Magic Notes wedi wneud gwahaniaeth enfawr a wedi cael positive impact really ar y staff. Mae fe jyst yn dangos mewn yr assessments I ni'n wneud nawr fel mae Magic Notes wedi helpu. Mae fe wedi wneud pethau bach mwy person-centred, I fod yn honest.
If you speak to staff now, compared to pre-Magic Notes, I think what they would say to you is, please never take it away from us, which is the biggest testament in itself.